What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kalum pernah sokpo kalayo bandra yakanam lakdu hak Super Division Football Tournament ka Castle Roy Pala Memorial Trophy ka penyai da Thalasscan Sports Association da ka pelim da Saula Lai ya ka Mukla Raj lingba ka jingshut penalty ha ka jinga kun final ka balalong hak Madan Waejer Multi Sports Complex Stadium ha ka Henyo Trik Risau. Kani ka jinga kun final ka bayakat mar iway la iway lahab bandra siya ka extra time Henry Hang ni Ru omla satya banyo yak result balahaban pelong da ka jinga shoot penalty ha ka baka lumpur na sokpo kala job da saw lalai. Ha ka jinga kun ha ka puar ka balabu baro arteli kini kikul kila mi pau ha ka kelamit ha ka baka Mukla Raj kala tam syakmat ling baka kul ka balatem da welcome sari sanpo. Tang hapu ashipo minute balayat ka jinga kun ka lumpur na kala tan kalay ka jinga kun siya ka bayakat ling ba upen biang mensong Henry Po. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jala ubelong ru MLA ka Nartiang umas nga balang dhar ulalong kum ukong san ha ka ni ka final ha ka jingdan lang Menteri ka Tanat Sports uma Wailat Miki Shila MDC JHADC ma reforming san lamari District Sports Officer DSO ma Krobok Pasa President ka Meghalaya Football Association MFA ba Hamlet san Dotling na lor kiway. Umas nga balang dhar ha ka jingkaran ulayaro ikinongkit kam ka Thalasscan Sports Association kibalapan ki imbiang ya ka TSA hadian bakala do la damno daki post nam. Ulapan benaru bahagi ni gisaw du san benai ban wan no on penyeng no say ki floodlight kenang ba onla ban pelong ki jingalek kai wat ha ka por menmien. Ya ki khusnam Shimed kentop ya ka top scorer la yok korda sumar shooting na ka lumpur na sokpo best goalkeeper Banshan Mukim na ka Mukla Raj but best player la yok da upen biang mensong na lumpur na sokpo. Ya ki khusnam la sam da uma Wailat Miki Shla ha ka jingdan lang ru President TSA ma kemen lang Shla Vice President TSA ma Eberis Pariat na lor ki dikot nongkit kam ka MFA bat TSA. Kala du jongan ni lumpung kan yo lat ban mi khmat sya ka Meghalaya State League ka ban salong ha uniu snam.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.